determinasyon, sipag, puso, pangarap ang puhunan, talento ang labanan, umaatikabong bakbakan. Mga laro ay tutukan. Game na!
This is more than just a basketball league. It's a melting pot of basketball excellence here in Asia. This is SINAG Liga Asya, born 2001 SINAG Cup, presented to you by Converge FiberX. Experience better with Converge FiberX, and we are live inside the amazing Laguna Sports Complex in the city of Santa Cruz, Laguna, the heart of Calabarzon and the land of Star, for our Saturday triple header, day number 8 here in SINAG Liga Asya. And it's gonna be Jason Diaz, who got 11 points, 10 rebounds, and got their first win against Hustle Rising Suns from Florida Blanca, and they will be matching up against the second Pampanga team, the Pampanga Delta, headed by Sunny Esteel, who will be stepping up because there will be 4 players who will not be playing for Pampanga Delta as of today, and that is our games for today. We have a Saturday triple header. It's going to be Pampanga Delta contra Passion Sports Elite for game number 2, J Project Boomers contra Antipolo Pilgrims League, and for our main event, it's going to be the Luid 1 Pampanga and then the defending home court Laguna. That's the XEOZ Construction here in SINAG Liga Asya, born 2001 SINAG Cup. And now let's turn over to our arena announcer Ram Valid for our SINAG starters of the ball game.
Bayak pagod panapon kagayungan. Good afternoon, SINAG fans. We're coming to you live from Santa Cruz Sports Complex, Santa Cruz, province of Laguna. This is the SINAG Liga Asya, born 2001 Cup, presented to you by Converge FiberX. Doble na, dinoble pa. We're also live at YouTube channel SINAG Liga Asya TV, SINAG Liga Asya FB page, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. We got a triple header games for the day 8 of the competition, featuring our first match. It's the battle between Pampanga Delta and Passion Sports Elite. And now it's time to meet the protagonists first for your Pampanga Delta. Starting at guard number 6, Carlo Pereras. Also at guard number 66, Jagar Bogarin. At forward number 18, Justin Bautista. Also at forward number 34, Sonny Estelle. And center number 4, Kevin Santos. Pampanga Delta is led by Coach Padik Dimatulak. Assistant coaches Totoy Marquez, Pat Duyang, and Isel Santos. Team manager Mr. Alan Trinidad. Team owner Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Your Pampanga Delta. And now it's time to meet the starters for your Passion Sports League. Starting at guard number 10, Uno Del Mundo. Shooting guard number 7, Aldwin Cruz. Forward number 17, bench, Crisostomo. Also at forward number 26, Leo Ortega. And center number 13, Jason Diaz. Passion Sports Elite is led by Coach Sheldon Anthony Daniel. Assistant coaches, Grant Michael Regala, Clayton Labagala, JB Gonzalvo, and Eddie Labagala. Your Passion Sports Elite. Game officials for this game, CRUZ Chief Dennis Escaro. First umpire, John Lisigues. Second umpire, Dave Maligaya. This is your SINAG Liga ASYA. We are one.
So SLA fans, again, that is our SINAG starters of the ball game for Pampanga Delta. They will be starting with Santos, Ferreras, Bautista, Isilen, Bugarian, and for Passion Sports Elite, they will be starting with Cruz, Del Mundo, Diaz, Crisostomo, and Ortega. Again, we are live here inside the amazing Santa Cruz Laguna Sports Complex here in Santa Cruz, Laguna, the heart of Calabarzon, for our day number 8 in our Saturday triple header. Kami ang makakasama nyo today. Rowy Sacote, Enzo Galarosa, and on the sidelines gonna be Maris Victorio.
An interesting move for Coach Fedic Di Matulak, opting to start Enrico J.R. Bugarin at the shooting guard position, a relatively small backcourt for Pampanga Delta in the absence of Charles Jacob Delfino today. Dahil nga sabi mo at the top of the coverage, Rowy, 4 players for Pampanga, 4 key players ang nawawala sa kanilang lineup ngayon.
Yes, exactly. 4 key players. So again, Sunny still really needs to step up in this ball game. He needs to double or replicate his performance in their last game against their win against J Project Boomers. Imagine, no CJ Delfino, no Junel Policarpio, no GM Kimbao, and no June Roque. And at the same time, I believe CJ, ayun, nabanggit ko na pala, CJ Delfino will also not be playing for Pampanga Delta today.
Yes, 3 players, Kimbao, Policarpio, and Delfino are not with the team today. Si Arthur Roque is behind them sa bench, still nursing a knee injury na natamo niya daw in practice. But Jason Diaz, look at that beautiful stroke from this big man.
Yes, from downtown, splashes it from beyond the arc. Jason Diaz, that's the first bucket of the ball, or field goal of the ball game.
Yes, and I love this matchup. Santos versus Diaz, height versus body.
Yes, and sinks in with that perimeter jumper for Kevin Santos in front of Jason Diaz, huh?
That's the next level of his game that he needs to develop consistently. If Kevin Santos can hit those outside jumpers consistently, he is going to be a tough coverage.
And Bautista thought about it. Here comes JR. JR passes it to Carlo. Carlo using that steel screen with that alley-oop pass.
Wow.
Oh, what a great connection there. The alley-oop was an absolute spectacle.
What a pass by Carlo Ferreras, and what a finish for Mr. Cash Money. He has 4 points already. Or, correction, 3 points, di ba?
And grabe naman yung connection na yon. And look at that drive, but nice swing. And a 3-point miss there for Aldwin Cruz. So most of the, all attempts here ng Passion Sports Elite are coming from beyond the arc.
Well, that's their advantage kasi nga they're the smaller team, so they have to hit from the outside in order to get a chance to penetrate from the inside.
And look at that, passes it to Bautista. Bautista, that's a free lane given by Aldwin Cruz.
Is this the game that Mr. Big Moment finally shows up sa SLA? Good start that he knocks down his first field goal.
And because of that, they are up by 4 points already. But look at that drive from Uno Del Mundo.
Great drive by Uno. Saw that Kevin Santos was way above the 3-point line to defend it to si Jason Diaz. Great attack. And again, those outside jumpers are going to be, you know, crucial para dito sa Passion Sports kasi it creates driving lanes for just like that kay Uno Del Mundo.
Yes, and look at that. There's going to be a blocking foul on Uno Del Mundo. As we take a look at this highlight from Uno Del Mundo, our drive of the quarter, hatid sa inyo ng Photon, the official mobility partner of SINAG Liga ASYA. Kayang-kaya sa Photon.
Just like I said, dun sa replay natin, Kevin Santos was at the 3-point line defending Jason Diaz dahil nga Diaz knocked down a 3 earlier. You know, yung mga stretch bigs, that is the Achilles heel of Kevin Santos kasi nga in Pampanga Delta kasi nga mawawalan sila ng shot blocker, especially in the absence of Jonel Policarpio today. It's gonna be up to Sonny Estil to defend the rim dahil nga babantayan ni Kevin Santos itong si Diaz from the three-point line.
And good awareness there for Uno Del Mundo.
Yes.
Dinrive niya talaga yung bakit kasi nga nakaangat si Kevin Santos doon.
Ayun. That time, good switch. Initial defender ni Aldwin Cruz was JR Bugarin. Tapos nag-switch si Sonny Estil, a taller and much athletic guard. Forcing a turnover there was Sonny.
Yes, and look at this. Sonny Estil siya pa yung nagbaba ng bola.
Oo.
It just shows the versatility of that
Oh.
kid. Oh, what a great move! Oh, but the finish was off, or the shot was off. And that's gonna be an easy bucket there for Neo Ortega.
And 3 City going for the two-pointer, but Bautista still out of sync from the three-point line. He's now 2 for 16 in the last 3 ball games. And look at that good defense by Passion, forcing a turnover kay Bugarin.
Yes, and that's a 3-point attempt there. But gets his own board, pulls up, and this time it's good for Uno Del Mundo.
No box out, and this is something that Pampanga Delta needs to worry about. Etong shooting ng Passion Sports, they can hit those jumpers at any second. Pwedeng mag-init tong team na to, especially Uno Del Mundo and Neo 3 City Ortega.
Yes, Uno Del Mundo last game scored 6 points, and look at that shot, or fast break of the quarter. Hatid sa inyo ng photo and the official mobility partner of SINAG Liga ASYA, Neo Ortega, with that beautiful layup. Again, Neo Ortega last game scored 17 points.
11 in the fourth period, and had an 8-0 run to start off that fourth period. So Neo Ortega, yung explosion na yun really led them to a win. Lalong-lalo na si Jason Diaz, what a double-double performance that game. Fouled out in the fourth and final period. So ganun ka-crucial yung 11 points in the fourth neto ni Neo Ortega.
Yes, that was a nail-biter game. 3 points yung panaangat lang nila doon against Hustle Rising Sun. So
Yes.
that's why they are now 1-0 dito sa SINAG Liga ASYA. They beat the one of the 3 Pampanga teams natin, which is Hustle Rising Suns in Florida Blanca, and now they are in their second game. The other Pampanga team, this time the undefeated Pampanga Delta naman.
Yes, but good defense right there by Aldwin Cruz on Bautista. That was their patented curl action play papunta sa cutter by Pampanga Delta. Well read by Aldwin Cruz. And I'm looking at the bench nito Pampanga Delta. They only have 5 players. Jeffrey C is behind the bench.
Yes.
So nadagdagan pa ng player na mababawas. Nadagdagan pa yung mga players na possibly hindi maglalaro. We might not know what's happened to Jeffrey. I saw him warming up earlier.
And that time, a 3-point shot for Neo Ortega.
3 City, baby. Ayan na. Don't let him get one kasi pwedeng magsunod-sunod yan for Neo.
Yes, and there's a offensive foul call on Carlo Ferreras.
Good pesky defense by Ortega. Hindi niya hinayaang makatanggap ito si Carlo Perez. But look at this shot of the game, Rowie.
Yes, atid sa inyo ng Finn Cotton, the official sneaker of SINAG Liga ASYA, your local Filipino sneaker brand. That was a thing of beauty there. Pure 3-point swish for Neo Ortega.
Yan na, yan yung kailangan katakot nitong Pampanga Delta. The outside shooting of Passion dahil nga, look at that, lamang na agad itong Passion Sports Elite.
Look at that, Del Mundo using his speed and with the lefty layup. And they are now up by 4 points against Pampanga Delta.
That was against a good defender in Joshua Miklat pa.
Oh, Carlo Ferreras kicks it. Kevin Santos, he can shoot from that range but misses that time. And there's a holding foul.
Yes, dahil nga, ang tangkad nito Pampanga Delta and Joshua Miklat can create a lot of space doon. But look at this blow-by drive dito.
Yeah.
Uno Del Mundo.
Yes, our power play of the quarter. Hatid sa atin ng Converge Fiber X. Doble na, di noble pa. Experience better with Converge Fiber X.
Again, taking advantage na walang Kevin Santos sa painted area na si Uno Del Mundo. And that's one thing that Jason Diaz brings to the table. Kahit wala siyang hawak na bola, even without the basketball, effective yung Jason Diaz kasi he pulls Kevin Santos away from the painted area. He pulls him away to protect the rim.
And yun nga, Enzo, kanina nabanggit mo sa early minutes ng first quarter natin, in terms of height, lamang na lamang ang Pampanga Delta.
Yes.
And look at this, parang isa lang si Mang dapat Mandapat and eto si Jason Diaz, yung mga malalaki lang dito for Passion Sports Elite. But look at that. A long two for Andre Mandapat, and while dito naman sa Pampanga Delta, ang tatangkad, Kevin Santos, Sunny is steal.
Oh, and look at that, how Passion plays defense right there, but good steal by Justin.
And Justin Bautista passes it to Sunny. Sunny gives it to Miklat. Miklat thought about it, pulls up, no good that time. Gets his own board, and great effort there for Joshua Miklat, huh?
Yes, and one thing that Passion did not do that time was locate their man to box them out for the rebounds. Pero, Passion has been playing great defense dito, especially in the perimeter. Maybe Pampanga should explore giving that ball back to Kevin Santos sa poste dahil angat na angat si Kevin. He looks like he's hurt, talking about Kevin Santos. And holding onto his leg, or he got hurt a little bit dun sa play nung naagawan siya.
And speaking of Kevin Santos, nasa half court na kaagad siya. It is not aiming for the rebound as we take a look at the coaching staff of Pampanga Delta.
Yes, their head coach, Coach Humperdinck Di Matulak. Finally back. Last game nila, wala siya.
Oh, almost a turnover there, but Jason Diaz has the ball.
Look at how far Kevin Santos has to play him.
And Jason, against Kevin Santos. Look at that fearless drive for Jason Diaz against one of the best defensive players here sa SINAG Liga Asya. And look at this drive right there.
Grabe, you said one of might be even the best shot blocker dito sa SINAG Liga Asya. Great blow by Diaz and great finish with his offhand there. Good for two para dito sa Passion Sports.
And that's why they are up by 5 points in this first quarter. Our score 18-13. We'll be back after this.
Has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Welcome back, SLA fans, to the 2023 SINAG Liga Asya Born 2001 SINAG Cup. Again, we are live inside the Laguna Sports Complex. And look at that. Games for today, we had a triple header Saturday afternoon dito lang sa Laguna Sports Complex in Santa Cruz, Laguna.
Yes, first game pa lang natin to. So, mga malalapit lang dyan. Although umuulan, punta lang po kayo dito.
Yes, and for Passion Sports Elite, umuulan ng tres. And grabe rin yung laban natin ngayon na napaka-init dito sa napakalamig na Laguna Sports Complex.
Yes, and adjustment for Coach Frederick Di Matulak. Pasok niya, ito si Charles Lumba in replacement of Kevin Santos. I think for defensive purposes, ito. Kasi nga napupull away nila si Santos from the painted area. So this Lumba, perimeter-wise, he can move dito and kaya niyang katawanin itong si Jason Diaz. And Carlo Ferreira scoring 21 points off the bench in the last game ng Pampanga Delta.
Wow.
One of 2 players to score 21 and one of 4 players to score 15 or more.
And now, he's the starting 5 here, replacing CJ Delfino, ha?
Ganun lang kalalim.
Oo.
Carlo Ferreira sa
Magaling pa rin. Magaling pa rin yung backup point guard ng Pampanga Delta. And that's gonna be a traveling violation committed by Jalen Revillame.
Yes, and Jalen Revillame played outstanding defense and hustle in the last game. Netong Passion Sports Elite, a lot of impressive plays, especially on offensive rebounds.
Yes. And eto, Carlo Ferreira has the ball. Sonny can also shoot a 3, but misses that time. Rebound by Jalen. Jalen setting up a play. Up by 4 points against Pampanga Delta. Again, Pampanga Delta missing 5 players na pala in this ball game.
Dahil nga Jeffrey C. kanina nagwa-warm up pero pinilit niya. Ganun ka tibay ito si Jeffrey C. Napipilitin niya kahit may sakit siya, but he felt like he was going to collapse kanina while warming up. So hindi na niya pinilit ituloy yung paglalaro niya. Nagbihis agad siya. So he'll rest. So that's now a 10-player rotation for Pampanga Delta, which bodes the favor netong Passion Sports kasi mas marami silang pwedeng ma-field na players.
Yes. Pero again, look at this. Even though grabe, 5 players, wala. And Actually, lahat dun nagko-contribute talaga. There's an end one play there for Charles Lumba. The hoop and the harm for Charles Lumba. And now he'll go to the line to shoot bonus shot. As you can see in this replay, not just the basket, but the free throw too. That's our assist of the quarter. Hatid sa inyo ng J Project Clothing Shop, makers of quality uniform.
Great dish by Justin, finding Charles Lumba on the other side for the basket and one. Kita mo, paglabas ng Kevin Santos, yung Charles Lumba nagke-create agad. And Charles Lumba needs to double up dahil nga wala yung Jeffrey C. They only have a three-man rotation in terms of the power forward and center spots. Lumba, Nunag, and Santos lang.
And that guy right there, Jello Gakrama, is now on the stat sheet because of that three-point shot.
Talagang mainit itong Passion Sports from the three-point line. Samantalang Pampanga Delta, wala pang napapasok na tres.
Yes, and tinatapatan nila yung lamig dito sa Laguna Sports Complex by their hot hands here in this ball game. And there was a foul. And Jason Diaz, papahinga muna siya dito for head coach Don Daño. As papasok dito si Yuri Balagtas.
Yes, and on the other end, good attack by JB, Justin Bautista. Despite having 10 players, actually technically 9.5 because this guy on the free throw line, the pride of Lubao Pampanga, is still nursing his right knee injury. Kaya ganyan yung shooting niya. Still a little bit short. Iniinda pa rin yung right knee injury. And also, may sakit din to. Pinilit lang niya maglaro ngayong araw, di ba? So, ang daming factors na nilalabanan ng ating undefeated team dito sa ating laban. But still, they're fighting. Good move there by Justin.
And it just shows his heart that he really wants to contribute for Pampanga Delta. You've already mentioned he's nursing an injury and masama pa yung or he's not in full condition talaga for today's game. Pero he's playing and producing, ha?
Well, tingin ko, he looks at this as a big moment. Let's see if this is finally the game nga. As I said, na magpapakita na si Mr. Big Moment. But that's a bad foul by Sonny Estil.
Yes, he got baited there by Jello Gakrama.
Kasi Jello Gakrama, yung instant spark off the bench, di ba? Pagpasok, nakatres. Dito, one dribble pull-up. Got fouled by Sonny Estil. So, look at this one. One up fake, one dribble.
And pull up. That's a good shot there for Jello Gakrama. And sinks in the first. Let's see if he can go 2 for 2 here. Okay, calm and collected at the charity stripe. That's why it's a 4-point lead for Passion Sports Elite. So this is the second team na lumamang sa Pampanga Delta, or third rather, here in our tournament. Again, both teams are undefeated while Pampanga Delta already played against 5 teams, while for Passion Sports, this is just their second game here sa SINAG Liga Asya.
Yes, but for Pampanga Delta, this is the first time that they're going to play a 5-man rotation dito. So Coach Predic, I think this is his 8th player na ipapasok niya sa laro. Hans Nick Dao at the scores table.
Yes, ready to check in dito si Hans Nick Dao, and I believe he's gonna be subbing in for Charles Lumba. Or no, for Sonny Estil pala.
Yes.
Oh, first miss there for Carlo Ferreras.
This is the time for guys like Hans Nick Dao, J.R. Bugarin, Charles Lumba, Joshua Miklat and Steven Angeles and Joseph Nunag to perform well. Dahil nga, ibang klase nga yung iniinda nila na 5 players ang nawala sa kanilang lineup.
And so, makikita talaga natin on how head coach Pedic Di Matulak will use or maximize his understaffed team here for Pampanga Delta against Passion Sports Elite.
Yes.
That is the question. Pero so far, they're doing a good job actually. While Passion Sports Elite naman are capitalizing their, as there was a foul call, they are capitalizing against Pampanga Delta, against the understaffed Pampanga Delta. And that's why they're up by 4 points.
And maybe there are a couple of players din sa lineup na itong Pampanga Delta na may iniinda ding mga sakit din. Hindi lang nagsasabi, di ba? Kasi nga, underman na talaga sila. You can see the drop of energy from this team.
Oh, almost went in for Uno del Mundo. Here comes Charles. Charles.
It's actually Carlo.
Or Carlo, rather. Sorry. And a miss.
Sayang yun for Miklat. Another third offensive rebound of the game.
Here comes Del Mundo. Del Mundo going to work. And out of bounds. Ball stays with Passion Sports Elite with 11 seconds on the shot clock as head coach Don Anthony Daño calls a timeout with 1 minute and 52 seconds remaining here in the first quarter. 4 points ang labang dito ng Passion Sports Elite kontra dito sa Pampanga Delta. And yun nga, let's break down the numbers on the last game of Pampanga Delta against J Project Boomers. And
Well, they gave the J Project Boomers a rude welcome in that game. Look at that field goal percentage, 50%.
Wow.
And they only allowed 37%. Of course, Pampanga Delta, the #1 rebounding team, out-rebounded J Project Boomers. Point in the paint, #1 din sila sa department na yan. Second chance point, they're also #1 there. And look at that bench point, 58-22. Almost half ng point total ng Pampanga Delta nang galing sa bench nila. And with Carlo Ferreras scoring 21 point off the bench and also 15 galing kay Jonel Policarpio. But right now, with a depleted lineup, a 10-man rotation, other players needs to step up. Especially this guy on your screens.
yes, and at the same time, again, they need to defend the three-point area to continue their winning streak dito sa SINAG Liga Asya. While for Passion Sports Elite.
Good
And
pass.
what a good play! That was a good pass.
Yun yung mga magaganda, yung mga ATO. Beautiful ATO right there by Coach Don.
Yes, and Yuri Balagtas sinking that one in. And look at that denial.
Good pass
A
by
good
Justin.
find there to Joshua Miklat.
The Letran connection right there. Bautista to Miklat.
And Passion Sports Elite. A miss there.
There you go. Hindi lang basta sa shooting nakakalamang itong Passion Sports, but also in the energy and hustle department. That is a lot of offensive rebounds, pero yan yung napakagandang out of timeout play na itong Passion Sports.
Yes, Yuri Balagtas, pero grabe, nakasagot kagad doon ang Pampanga Delta because of that pass from Bautista.
Yes, but ito, Balagtas is on the free throw line because of their hustle. They got 3 offensive rebounds doon. Dahil nga, dalawang players lang, dalawang wide shoots lang bumaba for Pampanga Delta. It was just Miklat and Lumba.
And now Yuri Balagtas, let's see if he can go 2 for 2. And yes, sinks in the pair. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining. 6 ang lamang ng Passion Sports Elite as Bautista with the spin move pull-up, no good. Bautista gets his own board. Grabe yung depensa doon ng Passion Sports Elite. There were 3 black jerseys around doon kay Bautista. And luckily, Bautista nakakuha siya ng foul doon, and that's why he's at the charity stripe to shoot 2 free throws.
Yes, and he's trying his best to will his team. Of course, the pride of Lubao Pampanga right now, and called him Mr. Big Moment. And he actually told me in one of my interviews with him, sabi niya, kaya niya gustong-gusto yung big moments na yon kasi doon niya inailalabas yung best niya at doon din niya napoprove at nasusuklian yung tiwala na binibigay sa kanya ni Coach Humperdick and of course, their team owner, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. That's why pagdating ng big moments and big games, doon lumalabas ang tunay na laro ni Justin Bautista.
And that's what separates the best player from, or the great players from good players during those big moments when the pressure is on. And whoever steps up, yun talaga yung makikita mo. Those are the differentiating factors as a basketball player.
Yes, look at that. Passion beating the shot clock buzzer doon.
Yes, Uno Del Mundo, he was heavily guarded pero manages or finds a way to sink that one in.
This is actually the most points Pampanga Delta has given up in the first quarter, 29. Average ng mga kalaban nila in the first quarter, the highest was 25.
And
So
now,
this is the highest they've given up in a quarter.
so far, pero let's see, Mandapat passes it to the left corner. Manuel thought about it. Nice defense by Miklat. Forces the turnover. And ball goes to Pampanga Delta with 6 seconds remaining in the first quarter.
Can they score to cut the lead down?
Yes, Carlo. Oh, loses the ball. 1 second remaining. Oh, poor awareness for Manuel that time. That shot will not count as lamang ng 4 points dito ang Passion Sports Elite against the undefeated Pampanga Delta.
A big quarter, especially for guys like Jason Diaz, Uno Del Mundo, and Mio. 3 City Ortega. Their outside sniping came alive, and which opened up a lot of driving lanes dito sa kanilang offense. But for Pampanga Delta, they need more production from Ferreras, from guys like Sonny Estil and Kevin Santos and Justin Bautista in order for them to come back unfamiliar territory. They're down by 4 in the first quarter.
Yes, that's the end of the first quarter. Our score, 29-25. Passion Sports Elite are up by 4 against Pampanga Delta. So SLA fans, we'll have a quick break. We'll be back after this.
Maganda ang view. May libre kang kape. Walang problema sa pagkain. May sarili kang mesa. Higit sa lahat, ang fresh mo pa. Walang MRT na kailangang habulin. Walang traffic na kailangang tisin. Kaya sige, tanggapin lang ang orders. Tanggapin lang ang bookings. Tanggapin lang ang racket. Kaya yan with Converge Home Base. For plans as low as 1,500 pesos per month, meron ka ng internet speed up to 200 Mbps. Make it big with Converge Home Base.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Welcome back, SLA fans, to the 2023 SINAG Liga ASYA Born 2001 SINAG Cup. Again, we are live inside the Laguna Sports Complex here in Santa Cruz, Laguna, the heart of Calabarzon, for our day number 8 Saturday triple header. And now, Passion Sports Elite. Oh, this game is Passion Sports Elite against Pampanga Delta. So again, both teams are undefeated. However, mas marami na kasing games ang Pampanga Delta. They are now 5-0. While for Passion Sports Elite, this is just their second game in this tournament. And they want to get their second win or back-to-back wins here against the powerhouse Pampanga Delta.
And malaking bagay ito sa moral ng Passion Sports if they are the first ones to defeat Pampanga Delta dito.
Oo. So it will set the momentum for them if they win against this one.
Yes.
And
Look at that hustle by Steven Angeles.
Sonny Estil looking. Uses that screen.
5 seconds.
4 seconds. And Angeles misses that 3-point shot. Pero an offensive rebound but a miss there for Hans Nikdao.
Sayang yun for Hans. He was wide open. Nabitin lang yung tira. Pampanga, they're crashing the boards. The offensive rebound really well. Yun nga lang, they couldn't finish those shots. Kaya sila down dito, and that's a big pick right there ang binigay.
Yes, big pick and for a big player. That's why Yuri Balagtas was called for an offensive foul there.
Nagulat, blindsided si Hans Nick daw dun.
And ito, pinahinga muna ni head coach Don Danyo. Dito sila Jello Gakrama and then dito sila Yuri Balagtas.
Kasi Coach Humperdinck already emptying his bench. Nunag is also on the floor. So, yan na. This is the final 5. Kasi nga 10-man rotation na lang ang meron itong Pampanga Delta.
Oh, that was a good drive but too short on the finish. Oh, behind the back. Diaz, heavily guarded. Gets the steal here. Here comes Mikdao. Mikdao. Oh, what a good shot for Joseph Nunag, slithering his way through against the 2 defenders of Passion Sports Elite.
That's Joseph Nunag for you, a running mobile big man. And great finish over 2 defenders pa.
Yes. Joseph Diaz passes it to Uno. Uno going to work. Pass it. Oh, a strong shot there for Joseph Nunag. Good defense for Pampanga Delta.
Yes, bothered si Aldwin Cruz doon sa tira niya dahil nasa length ni Kevin Santos. Beautiful move right there by Steven Angeles.
Steven Angeles with the end one delight. What the tough finish there with the English off the glass and getting that end one play, absorbing the contact and still getting the score. That is our drive of the quarter. Hatid sa inyo ng Photon, the official mobility partner of SINAG Liga Asya. Kayang-kaya sa Photon.
Another letra night. Itong si Steven Angeles. Beautiful finish. The pride of San Simon, Pampanga. Good box out.
Yes, Sunny still was asking for a foul.
Yes, pero that's just disciplined box out galing dito kay Bench Crisostomo.
Yes. And CRUZ will drive again. Oh, nice strip there. Passes it.
Uh-oh!
Oh, an alley-oop play for Sunny Steele. Parang nagkalituhan pa sila, Kevin Santos or Sunny Steele talaga doon. Pero Sunny Steele was the one who got that finish.
Pangalawang alley-oop na dito ni Sunny. And good thing si Kevin, hindi siya inagawan. Kala ni Kevin kanya eh.
Oh, look at that. Hand sneak down to Sunny Steele with the alley-oop play there for Pampanga Delta. And now they're up by 2 points.
Yes, in the blink of an eye. So this may be the combination that Coach Predic is asking for. Bench misses that outside shot.
Yes. Bench Crisostomo. Kevin Santos will drive. What a great layup for Kevin Santos, using his long arms to get that easy layup in.
That's the right thing to do if you're Kevin. Huwag mo na ibaba yung bola. Put it above your head. Wala nang makakatapik niyan. But look at this, 30-footer galing kay Uno del Mundo.
From the parking lot, Uno del Mundo, pure swish, pulls up from way downtown.
Grabe. Iba yung shooting nitong Passion Sports Elite.
And yun nga Enzo that's a good thing for them. Kasi again, kahit pa paano, nakaka-drive pa rin sila eh. So,
yes.
And nasushoot pa nila yung mga 3-point shots nila. So, ang ganda na performance ngayon ng Passion Elite dito. As Nika passes it to Sunny, loses the ball, but draws a foul.
And that would have been a highlight. Bumibuelo si Sunny, dak-dak dun eh.
Yes, and look at this. That is our assist of the quarter. Hatid sa inyo ng J Project Clothing Shop, makers of quality uniform. And what a great drive by Kevin Santos for that easy bucket.
That's one thing you have to do if you're Kevin Santos. Don't put the ball down anymore. Put it above your head at wala nang makakatapik niyan. So we see itong si Sonny Cash Money Steele, the pride of Taytay Rizal. Or sabi niya, shoutout daw ulit yung TikTok niya, ang Yanis ng Naspi. Yun na Sunny ha.
Oo, and yun nga kanina nag-usap rin kami kanina eh. Sabi niya nanggaling pa daw siya sa Taytay. And
yes,
dito tayo ngayon live against sa Laguna Sports Complex in Santa Cruz, Laguna. And I spoke with the assistant coach of Pampanga Delta. Ito si assistant coach Aisel Santos. Sabi niya, it took them 7 hours.
Eh tayo nga, halos 4 na oras.
Oo, 4 oras.
Paano pa sila?
Galing tayo
Diba?
Metro Manila. Well, eto na ba mga taga San Fernando, Pampanga. It took them 7 hours to get here dito sa venue natin.
Yes. And, you know, it just goes to show that these are the sacrifices that these players have to make. You know, but luckily for them, very, very soon, makakatikim ulit sila ng home court.
Oo.
Pampanga Delta. But the focus right now is this game. And maybe that's one of the reasons why flat din ang kanilang energy. Mahirap yun 7 hours na biyahe. Para ka nang pumunta
Siguro, pag galing sa atin, nasa Baguio na tayo.
Almost na, di ba?
And so ganun kalayo yung dinayo pa ng Pampanga Delta dito against. And now, imagine, they're understaffed pa. So the fatigue dun sa biyayas, that's a wide open tap ring there for Andre Mandapat. I thought he's gonna dunk that one in.
Kala ko rin eh.
That could have been a highlight pa, pero nonetheless, good shot there for Passion Sports Elite. And yun nga, Kevin Santos. What a great defense by Diaz and Mandapat that time, stopping Kevin Santos.
Yun yung tamang gawin mo if you're Diaz. Body Kevin Santos up before he could jump. Look at this good toss-up. Galing dito kay Jalen Revillame. All the way to Mandapat. May buwelo siya ng dunk eh. Nabitin lang ng konti.
Oo. And now, up or 2 points na lang, hinabol dito ng Passion Sports Elite. And Kevin Santos against 3 defenders. Once na mahangat niya na talaga yung bola, wala nang nagko-contest eh.
Too easy once he gets there. Down low to that spot.
Oh, a miscommunication there for Jalen Revillame. Turnover for Passion Sports Elite.
Ito na yung defense nito Pampanga Delta. But look at this beautiful inbound play para sa power play of the quarter natin, Roy.
Yes, at it's ng Converge Fiber X. Doble na, dinoble pa. Experience better with Converge Fiber X. Yan ang internet. A miss for Pampanga Delta.
Wala pa rin. That's a Steven Angeles play there. From one corner to the other. Setup nila talaga for their shooter. Sayang lang hindi na knockdown ni Steven.
Yes. Medyo malamig sa 3-point territory itong Pampanga Delta. While Passion Sports Elite naman are sinking most of their 3-point shots. But Alvin's CRUZ misses that time. Nunag with a fake, Nunag with a take. That's an easy bucket for Joseph Nunag.
Great recognition by Angeles that they had a 2-on-1 fast break situation there. And great patience by Joseph Nunag to let the defender fly.
Oh, kicks it. Extra pass. Another extra pass. CRUZ with the pass inside. Joseph Diaz left wide open but misses.
Tayo yun para kay Jason Diaz. That was good ball movement already galing dito sa Passion Sports. Jason apologizing to Revillame dahil nga wide open yun. Ang ganda na sana ng setup sa kanya.
Yes, as we take a look, head coach Pedic Timatulak of Pampanga Delta. They are up by 6 points here. And eto, Enzo, we have second quarter report from our courtside reporter Maris Victoria. So Maris, take it away.
Yes, Enzo and Rowie, nakausap ko si Neo Ortega na nag-best player from their previous game from Passion Sports Elite. Sabi niya for this game, nag-extra work siya at mas nag-focus sa outside shooting at defense. Hindi daw sila pressured knowing na pioneering team ang makakalaban nila. Instead, they are feeling confident dahil they take this game as a challenge for them at ibubuhos daw nila ang 100% performance nila. Isang kaabang-abang na laro para sa ngayon at madami pa tayong aabangan. But for now, balik sa inyo, Enzo at Rowie.
So grabe inabangan talaga nila Neo Neo Ortega, etong Pampanga Delta. So let's see, that's why kanina lumamang sila ng 6, now trailing by 8. Let's see if ano pa ang gagawin nila para makabounce back here in this ball game.
Well, nag-extend na kasi yung depensa nito Pampanga Delta eh. So, you know, what Neo Ortega needs to do is be that explosive scorer again. But good rebound by Andre Mandapat.
Yes, cleaning the board there for Andre Mandapat. No box out for Pampanga Delta.
Oo, naging kampante sila. Nandun yung Kevin Santos at kukunin yun. But Kevin wasn't looking. There's a foul away from the ball.
Yes, that's gonna be on Andre Mandapat. And nagkakapisikalan sila. Joseph Nunag dun.
Well, that's Joseph Nunag's calling card. Very physical player to si Joseph Nunag. So, Andre Mandapat needs to calm himself down. Kasi ganyan talaga maglaro itong si Nunag.
Yes, getting physical Pero ito, napatawag si head coach Pedrick Timatulak. Our score 42-36. 6-point lead in favor of Pampanga Delta with 3 minutes and 39 seconds remaining.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Ako si Jason Diaz, abangan ang pagsinag ng Passion Sports Elite sa SINAG Liga ASYA.
Welcome back, SLA fans, to the 2023 SINAG Liga ASYA Born 2001 SINAG Cup. Don't forget to like and follow our social media page on Facebook and Instagram at SINAG Liga ASYA para at least updated tayo sa mga news, happenings, and announcements natin dito sa napakabagong liga sa Asia as we take a look at our SINAG fans inside the Laguna Sports Complex.
Ano masasabi mo sa mga fans natin, Roy?
Siyempre, mga guwapo yung mga SINAG fans natin. And siyempre, walang ibang mas popogi dito sa taong to na si Boss Arnel.
Boss Arnel Fuentes.
Yes. Grabe, siyempre, napaka-pogi no ni Boss Arnel.
Lalo-lalo na yung anak niya, si Boss Julian.
Si Boss Julian, the Fuentes father and son tandem.
Great out of timeout play drawn here by Coach Predic.
Quick foul.
Oo, sinetap nila si Kevin Santos. Doon na naman, near the basket kung saan aangat na lang siya. And walang choice itong Passion Sports but to foul him. The pride of Minalin Pampang, or correction, not Minalin, sorry. But Kevin Kyle Santos started 18 games sa Letran last season, di ba? How many more can he get? Di ba, this season, the pride of Masantol, Pampanga, ito si Kevin Santos.
Yes, balita ko marami daw Santol doon, Enzo.
Ay, ikaw na sumagot ang mga taga Masantol. Yan sinasabi mo, di ba?
Hindi, biro lang. Pero look at that.
Bahala, dami ka Pampangan.
Joseph Nunag using his big man moves there to sink that one in.
And Nunag is slowly starting to step up. Good drive right there. Jalen Revillame.
Grabe, ikaw na nga, says Jalen Revillame.
I know.
Using his speed.
Pati ba ikaw, Rowie?
Bakit?
Kay Coach Pancho din last game.
Yun rin ba sinabi niya?
Hindi, pero may reference din.
Ano ba reference doon? Wala naman reference doon ah.
Pagiling-giling daw. Sabi
Wala akong sinabi doon ah.
pero sabi mo, ikaw na nga.
Oh,
Eh.
ikaw na nga.
May tono eh.
Wala ah.
Meron.
Wala ako sinasabi, Enzo Galarosa. Grabe ka. Oh, pushing foul on Kevin Santos, his first personal foul. As we take a look at this replay, Jason Diaz to Jalen Revillame. Good assist and good finish for Jason Revillame.
Grabe mo si Jalen Revillame.
Yun na nga, kita mo.
Ibang klase yung will to win.
Yes, ni Jalen Revillame and Jason Diaz ha. Ang ganda ng pasa niya doon.
Oo.
Siya ang
Ball
hinahanap niya. Bakit?
Never mind.
Oh,
wow!
And kicks it to Jalen and another pass. Fakes. And with the floater. Oh, bounces out for Gestoni Panambo.
Sayang yun.
Oh, ganda ng move ni Jason Diaz dun, ha? Bautista passes it to Carlo Ferreras. Carlo working. Gives it to Nunag. Draws a foul. And our officials blew their whistle, so I believe that's going to be a foul on Jason Diaz. And look at the reaction of Jason Diaz. He was not happy with that call.
Well, blocking foul yun. He was moving towards the right side niya, towards Nunag. Kaya nakakuha ng blocking foul. Let's look at it right here. There's the jump.
Oh, yun. Yung sa right arm niya. So good eyes by the officials. So Jason Diaz, that's his third personal foul. And nagulat ako. Kanina nakita natin during our commercial break si Jason Diaz, yung introduction niya. He doesn't speak Tagalog.
Yes. Kaya from Canada yun eh. Naglaro yan kagabi against France.
Oh.
Dylan Brooks.
Ganda
Alam mo, ikaw lang ha.
Ganda ng performance nun ha. Nanood ako FIBA kahapon. So ayoko naman ipagyabang. Pero
nangiinggit ka na eh.
oh, ayoko naman ipagyabang na
Nangiinggit ka eh.
napakalapit ko dun sa bakbakan na yun
Nangiinggit ka
kagabi.
talaga eh.
Pero yun nga.
Just ako ng inggit.
Pero just wanna say, ang laki ng improvement ng Gilas Pilipinas natin. I'm really proud.
Yes.
May mga kailangan pa rin improve. Siyempre, learning experience lagi for Gilas. Pero, yun nga.
Biggest takeaway ko dun, outside of ang daming takeaways talaga sa game na yun, Junmar just proved that he is the greatest.
Yes,
diba? He just proved to us.
I agree on that one.
You cannot deny na ngayon, di ba?
Kaya nga the Kraken yung tawag sa kanya. Kung sino man bumangga, gigiba talaga. Oh, good defense by Jason Diaz that time. Oh, and Sunny Estil using his breakdance move dito sa SINAG Liga Asya.
Pinagtatawanan siya ng mga teammates niya sa likod sa bench.
Sabi niya.
Pero may energy pa to si Cash Money ha.
Oh, okay, look at that move there. Parang b-boy lang, parang galing sa step up, no?
Shawn Michaels.
Shawn Michaels,
diba?
WWE. Siyempre, kailangan niya magpasikat ng moves niya kasi, yun nga, alam mo naman, igiling-giling nga, di ba, sabi? As Bautista pulls up. That's a good shot there. And yun nga, may mga nag-comment tuloy na Dylan Brooks daw, Enzo, doon sa nabanggit mo dahil.
Not my fault.
Ikaw nagsabi nun na mga SLA fans si Enzo Galarosa, pero may timeout break tayo as Pampanga Delta are up now by 10 points against Passion Sports Elite. So SLA fans will be back after this.
Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Ang
Ako si CJ Delpino, abangan ang Pampanga Pradera sa SINAG Liga Asya.
Welcome back, SLA fans, to the 2023 SINAG Liga Asya Born 2001 SINAG Cup. Again, we are live, or this is day number 8 of our Saturday triple header. As you can see, the undefeated Pampanga Delta, together with their head coach Pedic Di Matulak, are talking it over kung ano kailangan gawin nila in terms of stopping this guy right here, Jason Diaz. But Passion Sports Elite, as of the moment, are trailing by 10 points, ha?
Si Rudy Gobert nga kagabi nahirapan eh. Paano pa kaya itong Pampanga? Iba pala yun. Sorry.
Iba yun.
Iba pala yun.
Iba yun, Enzo.
Sorry.
Napag-mix na natin kasi grabe talaga. Again, we are very honored, no, to host the FIBA World Cup dito sa Pilipinas.
Yes,
and it just shows na grabe na yung improvements natin dito as a country to host this prestigious event, not just only in the Philippines or in Asia rather, but in the whole entire world na.
Wow!
Oh, Sonny Estil showing his breakdancing moves earlier and now showing his finish with that finesse layup there.
Now 9 points for Cash Money, but ang layo niyan.
Jason Diaz from downtown. That was like a 35-footer three-point shot.
Dalawa na sila. Two players from Passion Sports who can shoot from way downtown, di ba? Ibang klase, but good pass by Nunag to Estil. Sonny Estil trying to carry the cudgels for Pampanga Delta. He now has 11 first half points dito.
And Sonny Estil is showing that he really is stepping up in this ball game. Again, Pampanga Delta are playing as of the moment as Carlo Ferreras lobs it up. And that's a missed shot for JR Bugarin. Pero yun nga, Pampanga Delta are playing right now with the absence of June Roque, Junel Policarpio, CJ Delfino, Giam Kimbao, and now recently nga yun, si Jeffrey C will not be playing as well.
Yes. Right here, look at them play as a team. In the second quarter, sayang lang namintis ni Ferreras. So still, Pampanga Delta not converting on their three-point shots. They are now 0 for 11 after that shot. Dito ni Carlo Ferreras from 3.
And look at that finish there for Sonny Estil. And Jason Diaz from downtown. That long-distance sniper passion shot for Passion Sports Elite.
Parang Rocket, di ba?
Ano sinasabi mo?
Houston Rocket na siya. Wala na siya sa Memphis.
Oo nga, wala na siya sa Memphis. Si Dylan Brooks.
Nasa Passion Sports na siya. Ay, sorry. Look at that steal by Bautista.
Stealing the ball and stealing the show. Justin Bautista. Like a thief in the night. Uno. Oh, that was a good defense for Joseph Nunag, but a great finish for Uno Del Mundo.
Grabe. Joseph Nunag looked at his coaching staff and parang, I thought I blocked that, pero parang pumasok pa rin for Uno Del Mundo. Inside, outside threat, Uno Del Mundo trying to carry his team. Nunag looked like he did tip that at pumasok pa, kaya gulat na gulat si Nunag doon.
Yes.
But what a finish for Passion Sports, cutting this lead down. But still, Pampanga Delta back into the driver's seat with another double-digit lead at the half.
Yes, at the end of the first half, our score 11-43 or 54-43, 11-point lead in favor of Pampanga Delta contra Passion Sports Elite. So SLA fans, we will have a halftime break. We'll be back after these messages.
Hello mga kasinag, Enzo Galarosa po ng SINAG Liga Asya. At andito po tayo sa Barangay Tangos South in Navotas City para sa second installment ng SINAG Saya. Halina't subaybayan ang aming journey dito para magpasaya at mag-inspire ng mga kabataan dito sa Barangay Tangos.
Malaking bagay po ito kasi unang-una yung mga ibang kabataan, yung mindset nila nasa basketball, hindi sa mga sugal. Sa Mbps.